following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 546, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 546 has been issued at 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. The following
The
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, north central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 1 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Green Lane, or 16 miles south of our town, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Quickertown, Percy, Souderton, East Greenville, Green Lane, Jerryville, Telford, Sellersville, Pennsburg, Coopersburg, Red Hill, Ricklandtown, Trombowersville, and Silverdale. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 34 and 46. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania,
if you see the lightning or hear the thunder, go indoor.
Who says I'm going in?
Oh, I get it.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, South Central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, West Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Putown, or 15 miles north of Westchester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Percy, Souderton, Collegeville, Royersford, Trapp, East Greenville, Schwenksville, Valley, Green Lane, Putown, Spring Mount, Jerryville, Gilbertsville, Shadarville, Skippack, Stowe, Telford, and Sellersville. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 31 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery. The current time is 1:05 p.m. The National Weather Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beltsville State Park, or 8 miles east of Lehighton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, train spotters reported quarter-size hail near Lehighton. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include East Stroudsburg, Palmerton, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Belvidere, Oxford, East Bangor, Stormville, Henryville, Broadheadsville, Kunkletown, Gilbert, Delaware Water Gap, Tannersville, Alpine Mountain, Rossland, Christeville, Sunshine Valley, and Jonas. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 77 and 85. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 299 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following county: Warren, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Monroe, and Northampton. At noon. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, north central Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Arena, or 16 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Durham, Flemington, Tinicum, Hopewell, Fronttown, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Skillman, Flagtown, Sargentville, Clover Hill, Belmead, Arena, Lumberville, Sandbrook, White House Station, Raritan, and Heathcote. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
You're right, actually.
The following...
Crank that bitch up.
Oh man, I was just trying to watch my radio. Watch. Sorry.
Watch.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Chester, Arden, Chester Township, Nether Providence Township, Brookhaven,
do it.
Marcus Hook, Parkside, Trainer, and Belafonte. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 6. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 18 and 23. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.